first Meows the Cast video in quite a while. Like an actual video, not a quick clip.
So we have recently got a Roomba, and we're going to see how the pets react to it. Right now they're fighting.
Yeah. Meows, can you stop trying to eat Brownie? Okay, I think get attention. Okay, is it supposed to move forward or something? Move.
Try pressing it again.
Wow.
Yes, what is it? Really, what is it?
Very interesting.
Brownie's scared of it, and Meows just goes in.
It's going around saying stuff or cleaning things. Actually, I'm commenting now because it would be quite hard to hear me if I was the same distance from the camera as the Roomba was, because the Roomba is noisy, but hopefully you can hear me decently because oh no, it's ready to be
Watch out!
I know, Brownie's scared. It's very interesting.
It's after Meows.
Well, what happened if I put Meows on top of it?
It did a lap around.
He'd probably just like, wait, maybe the room. Okay. Let's see.
Actually, no, it's good.
Great lighting here.
Yeah, we'll take it out so that...
Oh. Okay, yeah. But you need to come back into the video area. Wow.
What is it?
It's under the couch. Yeah. Interesting.
No, is it scary? When it comes out, I want to start with Meows on top of it.
Wow.
I've got the Kit Kat. And now I just have to wait for the Roomba to come out.
Come on, Roomba.
Do not attack the cat. It's coming out.
Run. Quick.
Do not start a fight.
Guys, the video is supposed to be about the Roomba, not Isaac.
Really? What is it?
Now Brownie wants to have a look at it. Or not. Yeah.
We'll just put up here some minutes to go.
Yeah. The Roomba needs to stay on camera.
Randy, come up for you.
Yes, what do you think? I know. It's attacking me. I tried to stop.
Now it's coming for me. Brownie, you're supposed to be in the video. Now for you too.
Yaski, do something more interesting.
Just a moment. You want to ride?
He really doesn't.
He doesn't want to ride.
Now he's being attacked again. Meow says he's trying to just look at the Roomba, but Brownie's attacking him. No, not the Roomba. And Meowski Cat is just looking around. Yep. I know. Yeah.
I'm not gonna put you on
I know.
it, but I just wanna put you near it. Oh,
Being attacked again.
Please don't attack Mr. Meows.
Hmm.
Well, it seems like the pets don't really care about the room that much.
Yeah, you think Meows would notice the spinny thing and trying to attack it, but apparently not. And that's the cat. That's the pet's first reaction to the Roomba.
Can we try downstairs where Meows is distracted by Brownie?
Sure, we'll go downstairs and see what Meows thinks, and not Brownie because they'll fight. Yes, we're now downstairs with Meowski Cat and not Brownie Dog.
Meowsy, what do you think?
I know. It's chasing me. Ooh, an obstacle. Oh, look at that. It's a strong Roomba.
It's Mouse. Don't sweep up the mouse, please.
I think a toy mouse is slightly too big to be swept up, but Meows is interested.
He's looking at it through his tunnel, so
Dong.
he feels a bit more protected, I think.
Meows goes into his tunnel. Dudes, dude.
Almost didn't hit Meow's tunnel. It just continues moving forward.
Yeah.
That's a bin. That's it. Meowsy, what is it? Meows was sniffing it.
Oh.
Oh. Wait, is it stuck?
Yeah.
What happened to the mouse? Oh, it's there. I thought it inhaled it for a second.
I don't think it could inhale a toy mouse.
True. Hey, Meowsy.
Still driving around. And Meows is in here.
Check my Meow's tunnel so that he's not in it. Like, Meowsy isn't coming out.
Well, yeah, let's get Meows out of his tunnel, and then he... Oh.
He's not coming out!
Sorry about that, Meowski, but there's the Roomba.
Okay.
Now, the only distraction now is the Roomba. And he really doesn't care.
It's coming.
Oh, he's looking. That's it. You'd think he'd try a punch it or something, but he just looks at it.
Meowsy, are you gonna do anything?
You know,
Just look at it.
he says that it's not attacking him, and it might attack him if he tries to whack it. Okay.
He's just trying to watch it but not go too close to it.
Yeah, it seems that. Oh, okay, it seems that Meows clearly isn't interested in the Roomba, and since the video is Meows' reaction to the Roomba, I guess we can end the video. So, yeah, that was an interesting video, somewhat, maybe, and, well, and see you in the next video. Meow says bye.
Bye.
And, just wants to show you how much cat hair this has picked up.
Just from that little bit, that's all we've done, and so much cat hair has been picked up. Meows, you shed a lot.
But yeah, and there's no dog hair because Brownie doesn't shed because
So this is all Meows.
Yeah, lots of cat hair. Tasty.